Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money from Commerzbank to your Wise account. It's very easy and simple. And the first thing I want you to do is log into your Commerzbank, okay? And then what I want you to go ahead and do is once you're logged in, okay, go to the transfer section and then you need to enter your Wise account details. So all of these details you can easily find in your Wise account under the balance section. Then just enter the recipient details. Okay, in this case is your Wise account information. Fill all of that in, all the codes, and then your legal names, date of birth, your address. And then what I want you to do is just enter the amount and choose the currency. Okay, and avoid any errors. So moving on, so you can choose what kind of transfer you would like, what kind of transfer speed, and what fees that would have. It would be corresponding right here. You'd see the exchange rate as well. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and confirm everything and just review the details of your transfer. Otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.